LAZR stock, is this the right time to buy? Going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Luminar Technologies, this is an already pretty decent break towards the upside, meaning now that I'm very open-minded for longs. But this might not even, like when I zoomed out, I just looked at these two in the mid, like I'm just, yeah. I started shorting this when it was 28. It was not 28 bucks, but that was like a reverse split. So I don't know, like whatever the price was in. Let me show you the proof though. Instead of doing any guesswork, that's why I have the proof to demonstrate.
We're in an interesting
We're sitting at $1, $2 there.
position.
Willing to take it lower. And since that has delivered, since I saw this shift, if there was a double break, I was willing to buy. But honestly, this is gonna go down the drain, because if there's that shift here, there's nothing stopping me with the short sells yet again. So let me know what is your opinion on LAZR. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.